Hi colorists, I'm Suzie Bond, salon owner and artist with L'Oreal Professionnel. I'm always so impressed with iNOA's shiny, natural white hair coverage.
The hairline is typically a higher percentage of white. To create a blended effect when the new hair grows in, try a lighter formula around the front. Moving into the back, there's less white hair, which requires a different formula. On non-highlighted appointments, you can tone with iNOA and remove with Metal Detox shampoo and mask to finish the project.